Evening, everyone. Jeremy here, on strategic.com.sg with a coverage on Ether. And this is the ETH, Ether US dollar chart. And on a monthly basis, a little bit of info for you and background. On a monthly basis, there was a long signal at $412 on the 1st of August 2020, targeting initially 1419, which was the 2018 highs. Of course, it burst out of those highs and formed a all-time high at 4384 just a couple of months back. So Ether has actually bounced off this 1,750 level and is now trading at 3,046 as we are producing this particular video. And we expect Ether to try to test that 43864 highs. Zooming in on the weekly charts, a much earlier long signal at 275 on the 29th of June last year. Of course, we broke out on that 1419 level, touch your highs, and thereafter pull back to this 1750 level, and currently trying to break this particular pivot at 3634 on the weekly. All right, so 3634 as a pivot stands in the way before Ether tests its all-time highs at about that 4,400 level. So watch for this pivot of 3634, and currently we are supported with this Kijun line at 3829 as well as the Tenkan line at 2,400. Looking on the dailies chart, a very nice clean break after that short signal that was issued at 2982 on the 19th of May. Targeting that 2088 level. We broke it and actually bounced off that 1750 level with an inverse head and shoulder. And currently, we have actually broken out of this downtrend with a long signal at 2171 on the 24th of July, 2 weeks back, targeting 3634, which is your weekly pivot. And for those of you who follow my blog, I did talk about a Bitcoin rebound that started off on the 21st of July as well. And Ether as well as Bitcoin usually trade in sync. So essentially, long signal on the dailies chart and targeting that 3634 level with a pivot support at 2465. So what you can do as an investor in Ether, either you buy close to this pivot at 2465, which is also coincidentally above the SSSB line as well as the A line on the cloud. Any region here would be a good buy zone close to the 2465 for that particular long to break that weekly pivot. All these levels will be written in my blog, so not to worry. And essentially, for swing traders, usually they will actually go down to even smaller time frames like the 4 hourly. And on the 4 hourly, it's a little bit more buying in a bit earlier. A long signal at 1893 on the 21st of July, and essentially buy signal here, a little bit of a pullback, another buy signal here at 2427 on the 31st of July, targeting 3634, which is our weekly pivot. And thereafter, now our pivot becomes 2834. So essentially, for most traders that are trading on Ether, they're using smaller time frames, even up to the 5 minutes chart. However, in order for my belief is that you should be able to put in swing trades for Ether in order to garner that maximum profits without all that day trading as well as swing trading whipsaws that we will see usually on cryptocurrencies. All right, so as a recap, Ether all-time high 4384, currently trading at 30,040 as we speak. Very nice base at 2331, supported by the Kijun line. Had a nice bounce at that 1750 level. So essentially, we need to clear first of all this pivot at 3634 for it to hit higher levels to that all-time high. And we have confirmed buy signal on the daily's chart at 2171 on the 24th of July 2021, and essentially pivot support at 2465. For swing traders, For those who want to take trades for a couple of days, use a higher pivot with a shorter time frame at 2834 as protection. All right. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great weekend.